Hi, I'm Scott Reynolds from RT Machinery, and this morning we've been out busy demonstrating this fantastic Ohashi tracked chipper. We at RT Machinery are proudly now stocking and supplying the range of Ohashi chippers that are available here in the UK. The Ohashi range are all available on tracks and only on tracks. They start from a 3-inch, a 4-inch, a 5-inch and a 6-inch machine. Here we've got the ES151GH. This is the 6-inch capacity model, so the largest in the Ohashi range available here in the UK. Before I talk about the machine, if you come a little closer, you'll be able to see some of the good work that we've been doing today and the type of result that you're likely to achieve when using an Ohashi product. It's a real good combination of recyclable and reusable mulch that can be left on site, put onto beds, hidden in the ground even, without the worry of disposal costs and chip sizes being too big for reuse. So as I said, this is the ES151GH, it's a 6-inch tracked version, powered with a 23 horsepower Vanguard petrol engine, so there's plenty of horsepower in there at 23 to power the machine and give it its performance. Hydraulic feed roller as standard on the 5 and 6-inch models, also fitted with an anti-block system, so the machine has got a really clever piece of technology built in that increases and decreases the engine revs as required depending on the type and size of material going through. So that's a really good feature and helps process a variety of product. If we come to this side of the machine, real simple controls. We've got a 2-speed transmission which makes the machine really maneuverable, so simply gear 1, gear 2 with a neutral between the 2 gears, and even a reverse gear to maneuver the machine backwards away from the working position. This bar here is purely for maneuverability, and when the hopper is folded, which I'll show you in a second, it gives you easy access to steering levers right and left to be able to turn the machine, and also engine revs and other safety mechanisms. The hopper, as I said, is completely foldable and has a lock here for transport and storage. That gives you the access here to get to the controls to steer, as I say, engine revs, etc., and also a few maintenance points with engine oil, dipstick and other levels to be able to get around the machine and look after it. So at the top of the machine here we've got 2 or 3 different controls. We've got controls for the feed roller, stop, out to reverse material away in the example it might be struggling or beginning to feel like it might be blocking, and then obviously in to draw the material in and take it down to the working end of the machine. This is a safety reset, so once the safety bar has been activated, then obviously you can release the safety bar, hit the reset button, and we're ready to work. And then these 2 settings are to do with the amount of material in terms of size that the machine is able to process. So standard mode and big log mode. That's fairly self-explanatory. Machine could also come with this really good tool to just help push material down the hopper towards the feed rollers and through for increased productivity. You also get adjustable chute to be able to direct the material, and if we come to the front of the machine, there's also an onboard grading plate to help control the size of the chippings when working down at floor level. All the Ohashi machines come with their own individual QR code. Scanning that in the field will take you direct to the operator's manual, parts lists and any other maintenance tips and features that you might need whilst working with the machine. And from a dealer's perspective, on deliveries, moving product around the yard, lifting points, and also loading points, i.e. strapping points for delivering demonstration machines or product indeed to customers' houses. So really good professional Japanese quality chipper, 2-year warranty from date of delivery, and as I said at the beginning, fully available now from 3-inch up to 6-inch through us here at RT Machinery.